Hey guys, we're going to go through how to start up the Mini Plus spray machine. First, we're going to turn it on here on our power switch. So this is the home screen. You go to this yellow caution icon here and it's going to tell you all of your active alarms. The main and most common alarm that you'll get on this machine is control voltage insertion, and that's a fancy way of saying you need 24-volt auxiliary power to the machine. Every time you start the machine, you're going to want to push this green button here, which gives you that 24-volt auxiliary power. So then we're going to go back to our home page. We're going to clear the alarm down here in the bottom left corner, the little red X there. And now we don't have any more alarms. Now you can see our machine state says waiting for operator start. There are two modes of operation on this machine. There's automatic mode, and then there's also manual mode. Manual, I like to remember, has the hand icons like you're doing it manually. So to start automatic mode like you would normally run during production, hit this first start button here to the left. Machine state now is waiting for ventilation. Here in a second, once the fans ramp up to full speed, it will say reciprocator stop, lack of product, and that is a fancy way of saying the machine is ready to receive parts. And as soon as we start laying parts on the belt, the paper will move and the machine will be ready to spray parts.